Hey man, welcome back to another video. Y'all, we see, just look at my miles real quick before we start. 6666. Hell no. And I got that yesterday on Friday the 13th. That's whack. But anyways, we gonna get my car juices flowing, and then we're finna head to the gas station. And y'all already know, or y'all, you don't know, but you know in the title it's raining right now, so we're gonna go out for a little drive, see what we can do, have some fun, but be safe. So I'll see y'all when we get to the gas station. So like I said, it's raining outside, and we're about to head to the gas station right now once again, because you know we averaging 12.9 miles per gallon. That's crazy. With that being said, we're gonna start this video. I hope all y'all are doing super well. You know, it's 2023, man, so if you got any goals, you got anything you want to change in your life, it's time to start now. Don't wait. You know what I'm saying? I know I keep saying this and preaching it, but I'm serious, because nothing will change with you. Nothing will change if you just keep procrastinating. So if you want to change something, do it. Get off your ass, get off the couch, get out of bed, get off a damn TikTok or whatever, and just get to it. You know what I'm saying? It's really not that hard once you get started. It only takes 21 days to make something a habit. So remember that. But I'll see y'all when we get to the gas station. All right, man, so we're pulling into Shell right now. Finna get some gas, and I'll get back with y'all when I'm pumping. All right, so we got our gas. We got premium for $4.39 with my phone number. And as y'all know, Shell's like a dollar or something more than other stations. Usually $1 or almost $1, but so yeah, I save pretty much like 40 cents a gallon. I mean, it's not much, but it adds up. So if there's a chance to save money, obviously you should take it. But yeah, $4.39 a gallon. I only got 91 here in Cali. Yeah, damn, I'm handsome. But yeah, we're just gonna cruise today, see what we got going on, get a little bit of gas, and then I'll get back with y'all when we're in the car. All right, so you know what I'm saying? We back in the car type shit, and we finna head out. Got a little bit of gas. We finna get out of here. Not gonna be doing too much talking or anything in this video. It's a little busy out today. It is Saturday at about 3 o'clock, so we'll see what we can do today while being safe. You know what I'm saying? That's the number one thing. And I can't really roll the windows down, obviously, because it's raining. I'm not gonna edit this video at all, so whatever y'all see is what y'all gonna see for real. Y'all are gonna see this video how long it takes and how everything works in a video. How, you know what I'm saying, like you just got to keep driving around till you find a spot. Here we go. I don't see any cameras. I kind of took my foot off, not gonna lie, a little too early. Not because I was scared, but I didn't think I was gonna get nothing. We're gonna turn right and see what's up here. Fuck you, man. This might help the sound a little bit. We'll see. For real getting wet. I'm gonna need to use some leather conditioner right here, man. It's getting a little messed up. Oh, hell no. We getting a little loosey-goosey. It's a little loosey-goosey. Yeah, man, we just cruising today. Damn, that'd be sounding crazy even with the windows up. I'm not gonna lie. I don't get why some stations still be having gas so much more than others. It's weird. Someone needs to explain that to me, because I don't get it, bruh. Why is this gas so much more than other stations that are like a mile away? I know it's the company and shit, but still. But yeah, man, like I'm saying, I'm not gonna cut this video too much, or maybe even at all, because I want y'all to see how it really is and how bad traffic really is everywhere, how many lights you stop at, just in one video, man. Because I be getting like 30-40 minutes of footage and I only got like a 10-minute video. So it really is rough sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But obviously I'm gonna still post the little highlights of the video, the best pulls, the loudest sounds, everything at the beginning, just so y'all get what you came for, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna make y'all wait 20 minutes to see a fucking 15-20 mile an hour pull, you know what I'm saying? I'll put that in the beginning, put whatever I think is good in the beginning, and if y'all are satisfied, y'all can click off. I still get my views, y'all still get whatever you want, and then we both happy, you know what I'm saying? Damn, that's a nice road. I kind of want to go down that road, I'm not gonna lie. Let me just back up and then head into this turning lane, no cap. There we go. Damn, we be going crazy. The thing about sliding, man, is if you overcorrect too much, you're fucked. You just gotta let the car do most of the work, because it will. The car will do the work. You just gotta correct it. But if you overcorrect, that's how you see all these people fucking ending up in poles and in trees and shit. So y'all just gotta be careful. Damn, like we be sticking too much, bruh. Dead ass. It's like impossible. Bro, this road is crazy. All right, man, this video is finna come to an end right now. Let me park and everything, but yeah, man, thank y'all for watching. This video is probably boring for y'all, but I just want y'all to see how it really is to make a video. You know what I'm saying? Not everything is sweet, not everything is easy, not everything is anything. You know what I'm saying? We'll do one. Damn. Okay, we'll do one more. Hell yeah, that's a good way to end the video, man. You know what I'm saying? So thank y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna put that at the beginning too. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, man, for real. I really appreciate y'all's support recently. Turn that back on. Hell no. I want my traction on. But yeah, man, thank y'all so much for watching, for real. I really appreciate y'all's support in the past few weeks. 2023, I'm telling y'all, man, we finna go up. We finna do crazy numbers this year, I'm telling y'all. So I appreciate everyone commenting, liking, and subscribing, hitting me up on Instagram. I really appreciate all of y'all, and I do reply to all of y'all. So if y'all got any questions, don't be afraid to ask. I got y'all with answers and everything. And that's gonna do it for this video, man. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.